One.
Hi, welcome back to the Protagonist Corner. I'm Jonathan, this is Steve Stars, and in our latest episode, we got frozen out by some puzzles. Even with Wild which is today, we still struggled a bit, and I'm just hoping we'll be able to figure something out. And by the way, this tune still rocks. I don't want most of the soundtrack, but I want this. So that archway looks like it should lead somewhere. Might later, but doesn't right now.
Why?
Oh,
Can't go through it?
try it.
Oh, they won't let you. There's a stairway to the right.
Ah.
Not stairway, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Rock wall.
Rock,
It's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, up there.
Okay, Valerie, when I hit that button, you decline.
Oh, there's a grapple point.
Oh, yeah, I just get it. Thank you, Mom.
Sure. Oh, it brought us in a circle.
Oh, that's interesting. Well, the good news is at least you get back to the state point. Okay, where do I have to go? I don't know. I do need to run, but I'll accept the run.
I honestly don't see anything. Like a single thing here.
Yeah. Now I know this place is bigger. It was bigger with me.
Maybe you have to get something from the other dungeon to be able to open that area.
You can't go back to the other. You mean the watery place?
What came? Oh, was it the water place before
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Oh, okay. And there was no other way to go.
That portal was one way.
Oh, it was one way. All right, so there has to be.
That does remind me though. Zale in the middle, or narrator last time, and he actually brought us here. He said that it was proof. He said that it's probably we failed to stop the blower, so we were sent here to order us like a change basically.
Can I check one thing?
Sure, you can do whatever you
I
want.
don't know if this is just my eyes playing tricks on me.
Thank you, Mama.
It might be,
Fine.
yeah, my eyes playing tricks. I was thinking that this might be something right here. These,
Oh yeah! I do stuff like that all the time.
and they won't let you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, try the X. Right.
Oh, try the X? Okay.
Yeah. Forward plus X.
Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah, right. It looks like now I'm still predicting that will open up later. These little rock pieces will fall away and we'll be able to go through this.
Right, but there's no place else to go here.
But there must be because we did go we have to go I guess we have to go to the left.
But there's nothing to the left.
Like not
No, we can't get through.
okay. Like you know what I mean? Like over there.
Yeah, remember I said I thought that there was
Can we find them? Can we find them?
Let me try, hold on.
Like go
Are we missing a grapple point? I'm trying to climb.
okay.
Do you mean try to go through here? It won't let you.
Yeah. Now I know this place was bigger. Wasn't it bigger last week?
I don't remember this exact spot.
But like this area, the snowy area. here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like so there must be a way to get back to all
There
that.
has to be. Wait. Oh, Jonathan!
The cage. Yeah. Okay. You know I
You must
did
have
that.
missed something,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Because remember we had this ice box we were moving.
I wonder, can you grapple this down? Does it let you do that?
No. Well, the way that it'll work is we'll have to get up there and then you get down for a shortcut back.
And we would have to go to the left because you can't go to the right.
Like try grappling that ladder. Because you
Have we ever grappled a
no,
ladder?
it's never worked that way before. And we have seen it. So. Yeah, you can't aim up.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's kind of up, but it's not up and down.
Yeah.
Maybe from here?
That'll work.
You did hit him.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Sure.
Okay, let's do 2 swords. Okay, so they actually changed your old shield when you got another new shield. They did. That's awesome.
Ah,
I love when nothing's over things like that change over time. It's hard to play and wait to see growing green. One down. Good timing. Love it. And keep worried as before. Maximize. And you are done, sir. Or in project. Not non-gender specific energy.
okay, so hold on.
There's a rock wall there.
You can climb up the rock wall to get a better view, maybe?
Yeah, see the wind is open for ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, when you get the ice cream, you need to get one of the wind there to melt. But I don't know which one. Going up.
Oh, okay, yeah, go across that tightrope. Have we already been up here?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Okay, this gets us to the other level. All right. Now try to keep climbing up if you can. Now there is a treasure chest there, but just try to keep climbing up first. At least I think that's what.
And there's definitely plenty of space.
Just so we can get an overview of the whole space. Jonathan, go between those two trees. Is there something, or am I just my eyes?
There's
Yeah, but I mean, like, see where the tree, those two pine trees up there? Is this something, or am my eyes just playing tricks on me?
uncertain.
Oh, my eyes are playing tricks on me. So keep going to the left, because I think there's more stuff to the left. Like, back up.
It happened. On the left or the right.
Oh, a campfire.
Oh, but there might be. No.
Oh, jeez,
Oh,
one
I
of
hate
those
this thing.
guys.
Okay. Yeah. You guys work with your bones.
That guy is horrible.
Yes, he is. Okay. And I see some celery. You put celery down. Oh, but there's 3 swords. He's only gonna get 2 strikes. How is it even possible? Well, if we're gonna turn, we spot Coral for on the surviving. I doubt we're gonna turn. Is there a 2 there?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna turn. What do I have to do with that? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. So I'll just, well, it doesn't matter. We tell them it doesn't matter. We did have enough chance. Oh well. Yeah. Which ones were trying to do that? And that's awesome. Please watch. Ow. Okay, so Carl, your hand, please. Okay, I thought it was watch this video time. Do anything? No. Every one of the weeks was hard to tell. Oh yeah, it's gone. I see it. Okay, that's how I can tell. I can look at the attack menu. Okay. And you see that too. You see that blue there. Now, Valerie just made a little user, and I know, in fact, the way I can use the jail, now I know the Y has moved because the single one passed. That only gets one thing. Let's double check this. Still. That does 1.1 void will be 2 tax. So let's see. But I didn't get first for any of them. It said it was 1 tax. This is what I mean. Oh, that was just. Oh, so they didn't lie about the attack nature. They lied about who was doing it. I forgot this dungeon does that. They lie about who's attacking. It was right above the snowman guy.
God, that's crazy that they do that.
Meanwhile, now the snowman guy is really attacking. And now I've already used, well, I've used Shrine for the noise, I still have that. I still have that. Oh, well, yeah. Look at the attack done.
Looks like you have a combo.
Either one is going to help. Oh, yeah. Either one is going to help. Let's see. Actually, yes. Because there's one new sword.
Awesome.
Not enough. Well, not enough beater mines, but
but it'll do some damage, right?
yeah. Well, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, things doesn't stop me.
Oh.
That one was 3 blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, we sold one per. We're actually going to stop this guy. I love him.
Awesome. Oh yeah, he's almost done.
He's going good.
Yeah.
Awesome. We're doing the rest of this new sale. Alright, one left.
Nails looking pretty weak.
Everybody feels
Oh, that's right. I always forget that. Wait, forgot a money bag.
Oh, thank you.
And then when you get to the end of this path, there's those steps. You can go down, it looks like, but I might be wrong.
It does look that way though. Yeah. Oh, not what I wanted. Well, no, I'm gonna go down the ladder. This is hilarious.
Do you want me-
Come to the ladder if I can't use it.
do you want me to see if I can try?
Okay.
I don't know if I can. Maybe they don't let you use it yet, you know?
Yeah. The way this vision is litter and stuff?
Oh, no, they're not letting you climb yet. So
Okay.
you must have to do something else first.
Probably with our two favorite toys here.
Was there anything further to the left or no? Before this puzzle or?
Maybe.
Oh, but wait, they're showing you the light. Maybe you should try it.
Well, I don't have what I need to manipulate the light though. Because, see, this button should start, it doesn't work. Like, we need a purple gem somewhere on the floor here that we can access yet.
Oh, is that what they said? Okay.
But the light is chunky, you're right about that. Now, I'm willing to bet though, I bet all of Einstein's money. One of these blocks, the learning run that we need,
The what?
is hiding the purple thing that we need to kind of green the button.
Oh, okay.
So we can control that later. And you know that for sure. There you go, remove it.
So here's the thing. Go up around that block, that ice block over there, and then push it down. Because there's a path and it's like you can see there's a path that it's supposed to take. And then go ahead down.
It did something really hard.
Yeah, so go around it and push it to the left.
Where
Like
where'd it
around.
go? Where'd it go?
It's right here. So
Oh,
come around it on this
that's
side.
there it goes. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Now push it up.
Now, so it looks, so you, I don't,
It gives us a blind spot.
so here's the thing, you can jump up on that and there's a little ledge there. And you can go up from there, I think. And actually, Jonathan, I see something. So go ahead up there for a second.
Because look, there's something inside that block.
Oh yes, we need to melt it.
So if you go up further, let's see what's up here. Maybe we can push something down there?
Since we can't bring the light to the block, we can bring the block to the light, kind of.
Well, no, that's the end of the line for that block.
Maybe that's, look at this. That's totally breakable.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. You want the grappling hook?
Just go up further and see what's up there. I think there's monsters. Oh, you will be able to push something off that ledge. All right, yeah, you got to go up further. I see something leading, the edge leading. Do you know what I mean? There, oh, yeah, you got to fight those people.
We're opening a concert over here.
Oh my
I
God.
love it. You know what? Let's try to make this a little quick here. You know. You know. Oh, I suck. I couldn't even hit that back once. Also, we don't need Girl right now. Want I don't remember options what I have. Yes. Okay. the block, you liar. And that's a block. For the record. Well, let's see what we can get. I can get. Here we go. And it goes all one down. That human combo would be nice. If we're gonna combo the available, so we're gonna need to select it. All those consider, we're gonna lose one story first. Okay, that's fine. Now I have two stars, so I should be able to heal us. Now, oh, we can get two first. That is something not one. Ow, by the way. Yeah. Love it. Thank you for credit. I love getting credit for stuff. Oh yes! We are home free, basically. Now, this would be nice to give it to you, so I would appreciate that. Thank you. And thanks for the time, sir. Good to go. Meters on the go around.
I think you have to go up to the left. Yeah. You might need something over there to be able to get through that to that stuff. I don't know, because I don't see anything over on the other side.
What is it? Oh, that's not good.
No.
So we're ready for a while. Bye, Dale. Okay, that was not fun for you.
All right, at least here's the way up. Oh, monsters.
Review. for asking. This is fun. I can't wait till we get to the point to deal with losing their receiving rights here. We're going to lose the treasure. And then when
Yeah.
I'm still playing the icy pickleball one.
Now go up though. 'cause
Well,
there's-
first you do this.
you can't.
Oh God!
Yeah, it's an ice.
That's
So
torture.
you have to go up to the left.
Okay. Your back going behind your ice.
Mm-hmm. So it looks like either
Oh, ladder!
there also was a thing to the, it's a jump off point, but it looks like there's a thing, a passageway up to the left, unless I'm seeing things. Through there, that little place, or no, it's just an illusion.
You try it. Because I'm not thinking one illusion.
I feel like it's just an illusion.
Me too. It's like you one illusion.
Yeah. That's true.
Thank you, Mama. Alright. Geronimo!
Oh, cool, now you can go do the save point. You're underwater. You're under the ice.
Oh, that's cool. Also touching.
Oh, no, there's
Oh, no. You've got to do it. Like the pushover, you still in the room. I'm lucky they all happen to be the one we took where there was no damage in there. The worst things was accidentally happened. Now, just for the sake of fun, you're gonna let me use a campfire underwater, under layer of ice? That's hilarious! I know, but I actually can do whatever to do was possible. Oh my god, that's hilarious. What's a big girl? What are those? On speakerphone video game logic here. Where is everything? Oh, I didn't even know what was gonna happen. Probably.
grapple.
Okay, 1 second. Let me turn fast forward up. Oh, and also. There we go. Oh, he's back.
Oh, geez. However you did it, you are foolish for showing up here.
No, we had help. You guys may have gotten to your corner. Sorry.
Foolish and cornered, too.
Let's see. I count. Well, the speed just 3 but the losers. 4 of us and 2 of you. I think you're going to probably do the best.
Your friends already tried acting tough. Don't you get their report? My, they truly are feisty.
They have nothing to lose to it. It's cute.
Feisty and arrogant too.
Like, your minions are more powerful. You're going to get Ice Man the Bonner. He's great. He's freaking moral.
Come then.
Oh! Holy special move. Okay. Okay. So let's see. That was, poison, and sun. How do I even in return? Whatever you're on you, I want.
That's 2.
Oh, the speaker. Great. I love that. I love that. Okay. We're not going to get the whole thing. There's just no way. At least this year. The good news is there. I do bullshit. Well, I probably still have one first, but Oh, this is great. I'm gonna think about it. down already. Wow. Oh, that's it. Let's get into it too. I like it.
Oh, you got lucky. Next time we will win.
I find it hard to win. When your minions are much more powerful than you, it doesn't go well. Sorry.
Puff puff, win and celebrate too.
Okay, you can do great. It's fine. Ah!
And don't come back.
I wish they would listen to you, but I don't think they're gonna.
We're close, I can feel it.
Awesome.
Let's do this.
Hmm. I like the fact that you can hear what you do. Oh, it's cool.
There's steps. Uh-huh.
I love a lot of lyrics and music tracks. If anybody has, send me a link. There's a link in the comments. I would love that. Ooh, long way. Just wake up and listen to the tracks. And if this goes down,
It looked like there was a path through there, but I don't know. Maybe it's blocked off.
yeah, but if you try it.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Thank God. Thank you, Mama.
There's a grapple point to the left.
Delayed reaction. I never trust never feeling. You don't want to go back down. You don't want to do that. Where can you go?
Up the path.
I'll do that. Okay. Thank you.
And then up from there, yeah.
Awesome. Inside. There we go. Oh, we can just go.
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't doing it. Okay, it's fine. We can work with this. Oh! I know what that is. Well, it should have been a switch to control lights from wherever it was doing.
I think there might be a switch up higher. Yeah, you have to break in. I don't know how you break into that.
We need a light source. We have a custom. Where are they going?
Oh, it's breaking apart. Okay, awesome.
Cool. What did we get as a present?
Solstice amulet.
Ooh, what do you do?
So much energy.
I can't wait to use it. How do we use it?
It's the same kind of power as...
I know I can do all the planets, but I can't.
How do we get out of here?
That's my question too. You pick the girl. You pick the girl.
This block could be melted, but the celestial rune is busted.
Oh, so it is broken. Okay. Oh, you better have them hear these things. And Sarai's like, what's that?
You can now control the time of day with R2 and L2 without needing to stand on a celestial rune.
Sweet! There's so many places I would have used that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Advanced time is R2, rewind time is L2.
Okay. Oh, we need what? We need what? We need that. Beautiful. I'm so glad we have this.
Whoa, so you can just do that at will now?
That's the way of it. Yeah, totally.
The amulet's resonance with our magic is really strong.
That's basically a fancy way of saying, yep, we got it.
We got what we needed. Now let's go back to Rishan.
Alright, let's do that. So, my question is, we're really people do that at will, does that mean that will gets those? Really will, yay! Sweet! In fact, I love just being able to do that.
Now see if you can push that block right there. Doesn't let you, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe if you forward the amulet.
Yeah, maybe.
The other one, so stand in front of that block.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Yeah, there it goes.
Awesome. Thank you. There's so many things you can get now. I love
Now
this.
there's another one, so melt the, yeah. Oh, it just happens without you doing anything?
Because we're...
Yeah, you don't have to press anything, okay.
Now, if I need to shoot where the light goes, then I'll...
Yeah, let that one break, so shift it back. The other way. A little bit more. Right there. Okay, there's a switch.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Oh, awesome. Now you can reach that. Awesome. Melt that block. All right, right there, yep.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
This is so cool.
It is. Oh, cool. So now, I'm curious.
And for the record, the game did just save. That's a little like...
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay. Well, were you curious about what?
Yeah, if you go back down, you should be able to move those other blocks and stuff around.
Oh, absolutely. And that's why it's perfectly here so we can get back easily. Yay!
Awesome. All right, it's melting. Yay.
Yes! No, I'm curious. No, it doesn't go high enough. Okay. Oh,
There is a save point there if you want to save.
Yeah, totally. I was just fine.
Sure.
Alright, so how long have you been at this?
45.
Alright, so you can do another.
Yeah, yeah.
This looks like a ladder. It's not. Wait, a ladder? I love video game logic sometimes.
I'm just curious if you light the campfire, maybe it'll, oh, they let you out, okay.
Oh, but I know
So,
what I know what I would get.
You missed the light up there though. Up at the top?
Oh, there's light up in the top?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, yeah, this guy. We need it. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, you need to. That's one thing about it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, whoops.
Oh, the dance again?
Yeah. It's not melting the ice, so you must need to like move a block up there, or
So here, it should work.
yeah.
Even the way we described it, it should work. Well, let's
Wait,
describe
look down. Go down there, because I want to see if there's maybe a block that you move. Like no, down to where the like. Yeah.
it. Let me pick you up with
I see what it is.
that. Oh,
You're
yeah,
supposed
you
to
can move that. Yeah.
and push it off the edge. Yeah, like push that down.
Sorry.
All right, now try to melt the thing. Before,
Yeah.
before we push it over.
Oh, no, wait, Jonathan. You're forced to. It feels like you. Oh,
Yeah, I don't think it works like that. Okay, so get on this side of the block and push it this way. Okay, now push it down.
yeah. You just shut off.
No, you gotta push it over now.
I think you're really we're keeping.
And then down. Okay, so let's go down and see what that did down below.
Hold on 1 second. You have to do it.
I think the ledge is over to the left.
We have the sign.
Oh, I see how you break the ice. Okay, get on this side of the ice.
Get on this side, push it that way. And then turn time, go this way, turn time so it melts that
Oh,
way.
yeah.
So I mean, you have to go over there first.
Oh,
Thing, just because you're not close
You
enough
shouldn't
to it.
have to.
Yeah, there you go. There.
Sure.
Yeah. Now you can get the treasure. Yeah, okay. Signet of clarity.
What? I wonder what this does and who can use it. We'll check that next time because we don't want to end this video in the middle. Ooh, interesting. Back here.
Now that you have that thing, you can go down there and melt all the stuff you need to melt.
if you want this guy, we need to go back up. You're right.
No, I mean, you can go over to where the thingy is, over to the left. Left.
Left. Okay. You know, wait, you do that.
Yeah. Wait, let it,
Let's go direction.
okay.
That's gonna hold down there.
No, now you have to move it over to the left, or to the right, and light up the other
Yeah, but if
thingies.
I do, it's Dick Jordan, but you might have to do this.
Okay.
So,
You can
which
move-
way do you turn it, to the right or to the left, I mean?
The left is L2.
Is that these triggers back here?
Yeah, the bottom left trigger and the bottom right trigger is the other side.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but because you said you did it.
Alright. Now what?
Oh, you know why? Because one part of that was so partially lit, so they didn't record it.
oh, hold on, because I think I have to relight the other side, right?
Yeah, it looks like you went out to it.
No, it's not letting me, right?
So go up there and see.
Oh, wait, it is. I'm sorry. Wait. No, it's impossible.
I think the yellow is done because
Oh,
you get the bottom one stage lit.
all right.
They're both like that.
Oh, so they're both done?
Yeah. So I guess go over to well, you know what changed? That over down, but like
Yeah.
can what's all the triggers for that? Can you already build in that block some other way?
Yes, actually, here. Oh! All right, I see what it is. So you have to go like this, and then, okay. So hold on.
Okay, we can go those right now.
Yeah. That won't, I don't think that's gonna reach. So now she
Push
has
it
to
over.
do this, yeah. Do this. Now I think you'll be able to use the steps, whatever you want.
Totally.
Oopsie.
You go.
And now to get the last block, I think. But I think there's a treasure chest in that one over there.
Really?
Oh, well, let me get it from there. Hold on. No, that way.
But this is a power I didn't know I wanted till we had it.
No, right? This is a cool tower.
Yeah, because there are other places earlier in the game where we use this too.
And it's not melting though.
That should do it.
Yeah, it's warm there right now. All right, maybe this is the problem. Hold on.
Or maybe you look for sports and do it. Oh yeah, you got it.
I think we could do it
It's
that way.
a technique, it's a combo. It's not pressure.
Garl and Sir, I learned the combo skill item roulette.
That sounds so cool. I'm gonna use that.
So it looks like there's something behind this one too, but they might actually need to open it. Hold on. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. So this has to go back this way. This this is like a little mini puzzle.
Yeah.
Because then they make you go back this way, you have to push it this way. Oh, I don't even know. Wait, hold on, yeah, because I bet you this is how you melt this thing. And then you come up here, push this over. Oops. Come behind here, push that down. And they really need to work for that one.
Maybe. And we already got a combo. This better be at least another combo. Hi, Becker.
Sapphire ore.
No, what? Okay, so that doesn't we saw that later. That's useless. Why was the hard for you to get? Hey!
They don't let you go down that way. They don't let you do that. Do you think this just doesn't get melted?
Yeah, because you need it for reverse. We need to get up there.
Worry about that. Here.
And sure. Love you, Mom.
Love you too.
I need it. Hey.
Grapple.
Oh.
Grapple or a ladder, actually. There's a ladder if you go down, a grapple if you go across.
Okay, so let's do the four first. You want to go back up?
No, if you go down to the left,
Oh, yeah.
there's a grapple. If you go down to the right, there's a ladder.
I probably just done the other one first.
Okay.
I can still do that. I still
Yeah.
do that.
I think this was the ladder we were trying to get to before.
It was. Now that is just a shortcut back, so the way we have.
Although, I think there's things behind there. I think there are things down there too, though. Like,
Let's check.
I think. I can't remember, but.
Like further down, you mean?
Oh wait, hold on one sec.
Okay, it takes you down, yes, I think down that path, but I'm not sure. Let's just look to the right.
To the right, to the right, to the right. to
The right,
left.
the right.
Oh, there's Jonathan. He said it.
Oh, a save point, that's a good thing.
Oh, yeah, that's a great thing.
Yeah.
The golden working.
And Jonathan, I think we do want to be here for when you come back because there's a pathway that you can go through now, I think.
Awesome. Great. Thank you for doing this with me.
Yeah.
You make it possible for me to do, you make it possible for me to do everything.
Aw.
You're the best mother person could ask for.
Thank you. World's best compliment.
And you probably don't need to, but it's true.
No, I do. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, like if you jump down there. Remember, I think, weren't we trying to get through that archway?
Yeah, we
Where?
were. And there's a purple lake there now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure when you do that yet because I want to see what we're like level with this first.
So do you think we should call it?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
thinking.
Okay.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, it always feels good to see it. And you can subscribe with the more protected we get the berries. But either way, if you're good with them, I'll see you next time. Bye.